All I'm doing here is just mobilizing her cervical spine, putting back more motion into her vertebra. Call this the figure 8. I'm just mobilizing it. You can see that she gets more motion as I do it. Kind of weird because it's getting more motion in there. You can see it turns all the way back, all the way back. Another bit of traction here, we're all done. Appreciate you.
Thank you.
Nice.
In the taping box.
Nice. Everything out. Nice. Everything out. Nice. Right here in the middle. Nice. This bone right here. Let it go. Let it go. It's called a CT junction. That's T1. That's 7. It's stuck.
Mm-hmm.
You felt that, don't you?
Yeah.
Right there. Let's get that. Then we'll get over here. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. You can look at his face, how he twitches. 2 he doesn't like, and 1. Let's get 2 and 1. Let me have it. And then we'll do the occiput move. Close your mouth, don't bite your tongue, close your eyes. Everybody know how that feels. Everybody know how it feels. See how he's smiling? That's the truth right there. When someone starts laughing off the table, after the adjustment, we know it's real. How's it feel right there?
It feels amazing.
We'll do your left shoulder first.
All right, sore one.
Yep. Relax here. Nice. Just get your neck. 7 bones in your neck. That's T1. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. 7 needs to go here. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's get 7 and T1. Nice. We'll get 2 and 3 right here.
Oh,
nice.
I'm dizzy.
Go ahead and slowly get up. Hold on tight there. Here we go. Pull on tight. Nice. Other side. Nice. Let it go. Nice. Nice. That's T1. That's 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Go. 7. You should go 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's get 7. Relax it. Nice. Let's get 2 and 1 on this side. Right here. Nice. I'm gonna pull a little bit. Let me have it here. Let me have it. Relax it. Nice. So this one. Let me have it. Other side. One more. Nice. Deep breath. Let it go. Nice. Hold on tight. This bone right here. Right here. Go.
Oh, that's the one.
And then 2 and 1 right here. Let it go. Yes, sir.
Sounds like bubble wrap.
Sounds like bubble wrap.
You feel it.
I think we got you right.
Yeah, absolutely.
Absolutely.